Kilobyte here. This video, I'm going to show you how to deal with battery corrosion, how to get it off. So this was the battery hold down, and it had battery corrosion all over here and some over here. Baking soda, water. Now I put the water on first and I overdid the baking soda. The baking soda will neutralize the acid. And you put a little water on it. And you let it sit. That's gonna eat up all that white corrosion that was on here. You can see that it's pretty much gone. So after rinsing it off with water, got all the corrosion off and neutralized. You can wear gloves if you want, but it is neutralized and it's off. I'm going to use this scrubber. And all I'm doing here is taking any loose paint off. That way, when I go to paint it, it'll actually have the metal to stick to. This side was more rust. This side was acid, battery acid. So that's the difference. Baking soda didn't do anything to the rust, just the battery acid. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours.